parents, welcome to our Primrose Private Kindergarten Classroom website. I just wanted to give you a quick tour so you can explore the website on your own. To get started, you're going to want to go up to your address bar and you're going to type in primrosejckindergarten.weebly, WEEBLY.com. primrosejckindergarten.weebly.com. It should take you right to the page that you're seeing right now. If you explore the home page, you're just going to find the Primrose logo, some basic information, things that might be coming up, a reminder to check Tadpoles daily, just some simple things we do. Underneath is a quick slideshow of things that have happened recently. That slideshow will change periodically, so always feel free to go back and take a look at what we're doing in the classroom. Some of these pictures you will have seen on Tadpoles. Some might be similar pictures taken from those recent days. Up here in the top right corner, you're going to find the quick tabs. So here's the one that gets us back to the home page. Right here is our daily schedule, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a brief rundown of our day. Now obviously some days are going to look a little bit different than others. If we have a field trip planned that day or another special activity planned, the day is going to change a little bit. Sometimes we also run over or get a little bit behind just based on what we're doing within the curriculum. The Curriculum Corner tab will take you to some more buttons, so we're going to scroll down a little bit. And the only live button right now is the October button. All these buttons will remain throughout the year, so you can always go back and see when a certain theme was, or what we did a certain week, or when we're working on which skills. I'm going to go ahead and click on October, which will take us to the October page, and week by week is listed the curriculum, the standards that we're working on for the week. The last week from Rules and Fire Safety are listed. The current week, which is the week of October 8th, is Community Helper, so those are listed. If you check back in a few days, you will see the standards pop up for Fall Harvest, and then moving on to bats, cats, pumpkins, spiders, and owls. A little bit of Halloween fun during that week. Moving back on up, we have our important dates. I will change those monthly, so you will see the dates for the entire month listed. There you'll find picture days and dress-up days and our Arborterrace visits. We have our educational links. These are just some links that may help you at home. A link to the main Primrose website. We have a link to PBS Kids, Starfall, We Get Books, ABCA, and then our Scholastic book orders every month with the code down at the bottom. Feel free to always go to any of these sites. Most of them are free. Some also have a paid component if you just want a little bit extra for that as well. Curriculum information. This one's pretty basic. It's just a couple links to the Georgia standards. Primrose obviously goes a little bit above and beyond what Georgia expects as far as their standards of excellence, but it's a good place to kind of start and see, what the rest of the state is doing as far as a kindergarten curriculum. And the last link on here is just one more link to the Scholastic book page, because I know a lot of people like to have easy access to that. So that is a quick explanation of our classroom website. If you have any questions, feel free to call on up to the school, and we will help you navigate that just a little more. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoy it.